welcome back to my channel. Today I am staying with Lee Meridian Gurgaon. This is in sector 26 Gurgaon and the property is very beautiful. It is my first time here. काफ़ी सुंदर property है and मैं भी होटल के बाहर हूँ near the poolside area. So I'll be quickly showing you the entire hotel, my room, the lobby and all the area. अभी इधर बहुत भीड़ है pool पे. Stay tuned, watch my vlog and I'll give you a tour. This is a beautiful property. I booked it for around 7,000 rupees. Price varies daily, so it ranges between 7, 8, 9, 10. Between 7 to 10. So yeah, I'm here and now I'll quickly give you an entire tour of this hotel. So stay tuned and keep watching. This is the hotel's facade from outside. This is what it looks like. Okay. Now let's go inside. This is the lobby area. This is very massive. This is the restaurant latest recipe. This is the restaurant. They have this little sitting area as well. And this is the facade. This is what it looks from the outside. I'll go outside and give you a tour. This is the beautiful restaurant. And now I'll go in my room, grab the keys and go. Okay, now I'll quickly take you to my room. Okay, this is the 6th floor. I have my room here. And let's quickly take you to my beautiful room. This is the lobby, the passage, and now I'll quickly go to my room. Okay, so this is my beautiful room. This is a little wardrobe that they have, and this is the view. Then this is the TV and this is this beautiful bed. Love the bed. Love this beautiful hanging chandelier, or what do you call the light. Looks very aesthetic. And this is a little couch area. You can sit. Again, a small table to relax. And here we have the beautiful Aravali view. Just love it. Looks very nice. And then I'll take you to the bathroom. This is the beautiful bathroom that they have. Love it. All white aesthetics. And here is the tub. Very, very nice. And this is my beautiful room. Okay guys, now I'll be taking you to the pool area, the spa, the gym and everything. So let's quickly go there. I'm on the ground floor. This is just below the lobby. And right now I am at the gym area, which is very beautiful. I'll quickly show it to you. Oh wow. This is the beautiful gym pool that they have. Nice. I think I'll come here to work out tomorrow. Nice. Okay, so Lee Meridian is hosting a wedding. And I think लोग pool में ही wedding मना रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं. पूरा pool भरा हुआ है. I was planning to come, but now I'll not be coming. Okay, so this is the pool side. It's all... Oh my God. इतनी भीड़. बहुत अच्छा पूल है, बट इतनी भीड़ मैंने कभी किसी पूल में नहीं देखी. Too much. This is how the lobby looks in the evening, and they offer a complimentary coffee per stay per room. So yeah, I'm going here to grab my coffee at the Longitude Cafe. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. This was it for the Lee Meridian Gurgaon vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to book, you can book it directly with the hotel or Make My Trip, Expedia. There are n number of apps. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, toodles. Bye.